Hey guys, Isaac Bats here. Wanted to go ahead and thank you for clicking on the video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. That helps the channel grow so we can bring you guys more quality content, and then that's going to get you to the Luxor Sphinx a whole lot faster. Hey guys, Ace of Vegas here. Wanted to thank you guys for clicking on the video as always, and wanted to go ahead and do a different video today, another tutorial video on the Facebook Game Room. So it's something that I've been using to actually help me out with my video recording and just getting things out of the way, especially with the way that Firefox and Google Chrome are moving away from Adobe Flash. So I figured the Facebook Game Room, it's got to support all the Facebook games and it's been easier to use. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to do that. Also, while you guys are here, feel free to pass the video around to other people. It's been helping us invest in the channel. Like, we actually got ourselves a new mic. It's this new Blue Snowball mic over here, and it's been great. We've been doing a lot of the voiceovers with it and have a whole bunch of new stuff planned with it. We also got this, we actually got a GoPro too. Here, let me show you guys this one. Yeah, we got the GoPro and then the tiny little waterproof case for it and all that. So we do invest back in the channel, you know, when we're seeing the growth, and we really do want to increase the quality quite a bit too. So again, just pass things around, share the videos, subscribe if you haven't already. It helps the channel grow, and that's where we're really getting the steam to invest in things. But you know what? Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video here. Alright guys, you know the drill. First thing we want to do is we want to go to Google Chrome over here, and we are going to go search for that Facebook Game Room, and that's going to be at facebook.com over here, so that's great. And then what you can do is you can go ahead and go down to, you can actually go down on your shortcuts to your MyVegas game. I'm assuming that you play MyVegas. You probably don't watch this channel unless you do. So let's go ahead and click on the MyVegas slots over here, and it'll give you the option. So you can either play on Facebook or you can play on the Game Room. Now, we don't have Game Room on this PC. You don't see it on the toolbar. You didn't see it on the desktop there. So we're going to go ahead and install now. And that's going to go ahead and take us over here to the Game Room. Now, it's a free install, and you can play all of your Facebook games on here. So Critical Op, Cops, and then Eyes of Aria. But you can also play MyVegas slots, the desktop version, as well as my Konami slots, which is usually relegated only to mobile. So that's why we like to have this too. So we're going to go ahead and download the Facebook Game Room, and then we just go ahead and click on the exe to install. So it's going to take a minute to go ahead and download the whole rest of the package, and it's going to take a minute to install. We're going to go ahead and skip past that though. So okay, and then after we get it downloaded, it installs, and it actually looks like this. So it saves your games in a little library over here on the left hand side. So you get your My Games, and we have MyVegas slots, of course, and then my Konami slots, as well as other downloaded games you can get. You can go through categories. You can even search for other games too. I periodically like to search for different versions of MyVegas. Like, I like to search for pop slots and things like that. I haven't gotten it so far, but if you do search for it, obviously you get MyVegas and my Konami, but then there are other things that you can download and play too. But let's go ahead and focus on the MyVegas though. So let's go ahead and click into that, and it's going to take just another second to go ahead and load up, kind of like it does. Now, this is also Flash based, and it functions kind of like a browser, so as long as your Flash is up to date, which it should be. If you've bought a computer within the last 20 years, you're fine. And then it loads up, and you just go ahead and pop in. You collect your chips from friends, and then boom, you play just like you do on the normal game. And the best part about it is your progress is saved and added, so you are actually set to go here. But that's about all we got for you guys. The functionality is exactly the same as MyVegas on the web browser. It's just a separate place to do it. It's less glitchy. You don't have to worry about tabbing or anything like that. It's just there explicitly for the game, and you don't get all your Facebook notifications that interrupt you. So like when you're playing on the browser, if you get a Facebook notification, you click on it, even to get away from it, if you accidentally click through it, it's going to take you out of the game and you're going to lose your progress. So that really helps quite a bit too. But yeah, like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and then next time we'll go ahead and do a bigger tutorial. I really want to do a bigger beginner's guide. We're almost done with that, but filming in Vegas kind of threw us off, so I'm going to work really hard this weekend. I'm going to get it done for you guys. Alright, so peace out.